Hi, this is Doug with Mansfield Plumbing. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Enso toilet seat. When you unpackage the seat, you will notice the hinges are pre-installed into the seat. Also included with the seat packaging is your hardware, well nuts, screws, and plastic discs to secure the seat in place. First, remove the hinges from the Enso seat. Take the covers off as well and set everything aside. Unpackage your hardware and unscrew the screws from the rubber well nut and set those aside as well. Starting with the rubber well nuts, work them into the molding holes on the toilet bowl. They are a tight fit and you may need to use a screwdriver to push against a nut that is encased in the rubber. Next, place your hinges over top of the well nuts with the pins facing in toward each other. Feed each screw and disc into the well nut, making sure you have the slot of each disc running left and right as far over as you can so the pins line up with the holes in the seat. Hold them in place as you tighten your screw. You want your hinges secured to the bowl, but do not over-tighten. Take your covers and place them over top of each hinge. Finally, place the seat in position on the bowl, lining the holes of the seat with the pins. Push down to snap into place. After each side has been locked into place, close the lid and seat to make sure they are functioning properly and secure as they should be.